welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well, and I know the situation which we are currently into is not very flattering. It's not very good, not very positive, but this is how I like to make myself a little bit busy, like doing the things which I like, and I would request you to do the same thing which you like, and just make sure that do not get into the zone that much. And if you are someone who is suffering from COVID, I know you will be fine, you will recover properly, because I myself had COVID, so I also recovered, and I'm sure that you will also recover pretty soon. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, now you will hear a little bit of noise of fan because it's super hot in Delhi and I cannot live without a fan. बहुत ही धीरे मैंने fan चलाया हुआ है. AC चलाऊंगी तो बहुत तेज आवाज आएगी, and because I have so many lights in front of me, so that's why I just wanted to use the fan a bit. Very sorry if the audio is not that good. So in today's video I'm going to do a one brand tutorial, and today I have all the products from the brand Blue Heaven. And no, the brand had not sent me. This is a very sweet gesture by one of my friends, and thank you so very much. This means a lot to me, and she sent me this whole dabba, and that is how all the products are inside it. I'm so excited to try it out, and again thank you so very much. This is so I would say so sweet of you that you sent me this thing, and yeah, I hope that मैं सारी चीज़ों को यूज़ करके एक अच्छा सा लुक तैयार करूँ. एंड हालांकि बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैंने यूज़ करी हुई है पहले. आई हैव ऑल्सो मेड अ वीडियो ऑन दैट, but still let's try it on together. Let's get started. So the very first thing which I have from this brand is the makeup primer. There's one more thing, that they have revamped their packaging and everything. So Blue Heaven, the products, I think the products are similar, but it has just revamped everything. So that's what you will see. And what I feel is, I haven't used the products yet, but what I feel is that the gist of the products are the same. The only thing which has changed is the packaging, I feel. The very first thing which I have from their side is the Blue Heaven Flawless Primer. That's how the packaging looks like. Now the packaging reminds me of the Smashbox packaging, Smashbox primer packaging. Now it says that it fills pores, it fills fine lines, it gives this silk matte finish, flawless finish. We are gonna test that. But I really love the packaging because it gives me very Smashbox kind of vibe. I literally love the type of packaging it has. Now before starting, I just wanted to moisturize my face, and I'm using this Pilgrim face moisturizer. So it's very lightweight, so that's why I love using this, especially in summers, because we have summer this time of the year. It feels so hot, guys. I mean, इतनी गर्मी हो गई है दिल्ली में. Just can't even imagine कितनी ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई है. Next up, I told you I'm going to use the primer, so let's see the consistency. Now I was right, the consistency of this primer is pretty similar to what they had earlier. It's pretty similar. I'm gonna apply this wherever I have pores. Now this has a silicone texture, तो ये ना आपके pores को बहुत ही अच्छे से fill कर देगा. So make sure to use it wherever you have pores, and ये काफी एक soft सा texture मुझे दे रहा है, and काफी smooth और silky सा मेरे को मेरा face feel हो रहा है. And yes, it has filled the pores also. थोड़ा बहुत तो इसने किया है. So yeah, that's how the primer looks like. In the foundation, let me tell you, I have already done a review on the foundation. So earlier my shade was, I think, caramel, but वो मैंने किसी को दे दिया. तो ये वाला जो shade है, this is in the shade cream beige. And again, ये pump के साथ आता है. Let me show you the packaging once. This is the high coverage foundation by Blue Heaven, and it says it has a foundation with primer. It has SPF 50+, PA++, waterproof, and it has invisible cover. Now I don't know about that, so let's just take 1.5 pumps first. So इसकी जो packaging है, इसके साथ एक आपको beauty blender free मिलेगा, but मेरे पास एक पुराना था, तो I thought of using that. And one thing I just wanted to clear about the primer, that the primer is not very matte, तो ये आपके pores को fill करेगा, and ये काफी अच्छा सा एक dewy सा finish देगा आपको. You have a very dry skin, this is not gonna make your skin drier, that is for sure. Now I don't know about this shade. This shade is a little lighter for my liking, I feel. But let's see. Let's use it and let's see how it is going to. So guys, पता नहीं कैसा देगा ये coverage. So पहले मैं इतना ही use करूँगी, and I'm just going to blend it. Now one thing about the foundation which I don't like, because I have already used this foundation earlier. पहली बात तो ना, इसमें जो shades हैं, those shades are not good. I mean इतने कम shade है, and this shade का undertone है. For example, इस shade का जो undertone है, this has a pink undertone, what I feel. Yeah, it does have a pink undertone. So I don't know for our dusky beauties or for our dark beauties ये कैसा काम करेगा. I'm not sure. Although ये बहुत ब्लेंड बहुत अच्छे से हो जाता है। एंड जो मेरे पास अभी बचा हुआ है ना, उसको मैं थोड़ा सा और लेयर कर लेती हूँ, सो दैट यू गाइज सी इफ इट लेयर्स प्रॉपरली और नॉट। हालांकि आई हैव डन अ रिव्यू, यू कैन गो अहेड एंड चेक इट। एंड फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ द फाउंडेशन बिकॉज यू नो इट्स अ वेरी फ्लैट टाइप ऑफ फाउंडेशन। तो अगर आपको एक बहुत अच्छी कवरेज चाहिए अपने फाउंडेशन से, सो you will not be able to get a good coverage out of this. It just makes your face looks very ashy, especially जो मेरा shade है. Shade looks so terrific, so terrible. I mean, just let me have a look past it so that I can tell you. So can you see from here? It is, what it is doing is it is not blending properly. And हालांकि लेयर बहुत अच्छे से हो गया है, it doesn't look very, you know, ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आपने बहुत सारा कुछ मेकअप लगाया हुआ है. It just gives your face a very flawless, not flawless, but हाँ बहुत natural से finish देता है क्योंकि इसने कुछ cover नहीं किया. तो of course, so for me, I am not very big fan of the foundation. Now let's talk about the concealer. So this is the Flawless Liquid Cover Concealer. This is how it looks like, and that's how the packaging is. And talking about the shade, it is in the shade caramel. Yes, it is in the shade caramel. So मेरे पास भी था, पहले मैंने यूज किया हुआ है इसको, तो वो भी कैरामल में ही था. And so let's see how it, you know, does the work. So what I feel is कि बहुत ही लाइट वेट है. ठीक है, लगाने के बाद मुझे इसको यही फील हो रहा है that it is going to be very very lightweight. And again the color is off. It is not a very good match. Oh, and I think it did not cover anything. Yeah, it did not cover anything. थोड़ा सा ऑरेंजी टिंट जरूर है, बट कुछ कवर नहीं किया ठीक से. लेट मी जस्ट सी वंस मोर. या कुछ भी कवर नहीं किया इसने ठीक से. So not very happy with the base today because my base is not looking that good, but I feel. And थोड़ा सा ashy भी हो रहा है इधर से. Any which ways, let's just do our eyebrows now. Yes, now for the eyebrow, I have never used this. This is their Artisto Eyebrow Enhancer. That's how it looks like, and it is in the shade Ash Grey. I'm very excited to try this out क्योंकि मैंने इसको कभी यूज नहीं किया. Although I have heard so many things about this particular eyebrow styler, क्योंकि first of all it is so inexpensive. This is just for 150 rupees, guys. मतलब इंडिया में 150 rupees का, you know, eyebrow का कुछ मिलना is very unique what I feel. And इसका जो है ये एक तरफ आपको ऐसे स्पूली मिलेगा which is of great quality. I feel it's a good quality, yeah. And एक साइड जो है आपको ये ऐसा सा मिल रहा है. And not very sure how I'm gonna do it क्योंकि मैंने बहुत टाइम से ना ये ऐसे प्रोडक्ट, पेंसिल प्रोडक्ट यूज नहीं किया for my eyebrows. But what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm just going to brush it, comb it upwards. थोड़ा सा मैंने इसको ऊपर की तरफ कोम किया. एंड नाउ आई एम गोना फिल माई आईब्राउज. ना बहुत टाइम हो गया है मुझे एक पेंसिल से आईब्राउ फिल किए हुए. तो इसका जो शेप है ना, इफ़ यू कैन सी, जस्ट लेट मी शो यू. सो इसका जो शेप है इट्स समथिंग लाइक दिस. तो फ्लैट नहीं है और ये थोड़ा सा मोटा है. आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि थोड़ा सा अगर मोटा नहीं होता तो इट वुड हैव बीन बेटर. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई फील. तो आई एम जस्ट ड्रॉइंग अ फ्यू स्ट्रोक्स अपवर्ड्स. ठीक है, मैं थोड़े से ना इस तरीके से स्ट्रोक ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारा नहीं चाहिए. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट वेरी मिनिमल. सो दैट्स वाई आई एम जस्ट ड्रॉइंग द स्ट्रोक ऊपर. बाय द वे इट इज़ वेरी easy to use what I feel. बहुत झंझट नहीं है इसको यूज़ करने में. एंड आई थिंक इट्स नॉट वेरी पिगमेंटेड. तो ये बहुत अच्छी बात है. इफ़ यू कैन सी, ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड नहीं है तो इट इज़ वेरी गुड दैट इट इज़ जस्ट गोइंग टू, यू नो, फिल योर आईब्राउ प्रॉपरली. गेट इट हाउ इट हैज़ फिल्ड माई आईब्राउ सो नेचुरली. तो अगर आप सोप ब्राउज करते हो ना, तो आप डेफिनेटली इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. नाउ व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज आई एम जस्ट गोना डू द अदर आईब्राउ एंड कम बैक. एंड गाइज, यू नो, वेरी बैड थिंग इज हैपनिंग क्योंकि मेरा फेस बहुत ऑयली स्वेटी है. तो जो स्वेट आ रहा है, यू सी दिस फाउंडेशन इज, यू नो, ड्रिपिंग ऑफ. So not very sure about the foundation. It's not that good. That's how my eyebrows look like now. One thing again, you can see the foundation is just dripping off. I mean, it won't survive very hot weather and it is dripping off. I mean, so I want to use this one. This is their Flawless Finishing Powder. And this gives a radiant finish. It says long lasting HD makeup, lightweight, shine control and long stay. And this is in the shade dark tan. So let us open this and let's see if this works or not. What the inner packaging looks like. So it comes in a tub packaging like so, जैसे powders आते हैं. And best part is that it does have a puff with the packaging. एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट रिमूव द स्टिकर लाइक सो. एंड इसमें से आता है ऐसे प्रोडक्ट and you can set your face using the puff. Now again it has a lot of fragrance, I mean yeah, a lot of fragrance I would say. So I'm just going to use my beauty blender only, damp beauty blender use karungi main, and I'm just going to set it where the places wherever I sweat. In this case I have to use it everywhere I feel, because my base is just melting I think. But I am not sure if it is going to cover anything, or it's going to give any control, any oil control. Not very sure about it. So guys, I also have their compact powder, so let me just use it. And regarding this flawless finishing powder, I feel it's fine, it's not very good, क्योंकि इसमें जो लिखा है ना कि radiant finish, I don't know it is giving radiant finish or not. So yeah, not sure about it that much. So let me use the compact powder. It has SPF 25 with PA+++, and it has a shine control formulation. It retails for 150 rupees, and my shade is cream, and that's how the packaging looks like. Now well done on the packaging, Blue Heaven, well done on the packaging. I mean seriously, the packaging is very good this time comes. And now let's see if this helps me to take care of all the. Now it does have a good coverage I feel. Now it has perfume, like जैसे हर product में होता है Blue Heaven के, so it does have perfume. But yeah, I feel कि इसका coverage is very good. So अगर आप college going हो and you just want a good powder, compact powder, so I feel ये सही लग रहा है मुझे. तो मैं आपको इसका swatch देती हूँ ना. It is not very finely milled, मुझे ये थोड़ा rough सा लगा. That's how it looks. तो मुझे थोड़ा सा ना ये रफ सा लगा, और इसमें ना एक अजीब सी चंदन टाइप की, चमेली टाइप की खुशबू है. नॉट श्योर अबाउट दैट. एंड बाय द वे ये थोड़ा कवरेज भी देता है. ये शेड मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा डार्क है, व्हाट आई फील इज, बट इसमें काफ़ी सारे शेड्स हैं तो आप देख सकते हो. तो द कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर इज फाइन आई फील. टॉकिंग अबाउट द ब्लशेज, आई हैव द ब्लश पैलेट विद मी, एंड लेट मी जस्ट ओपन दिस. द Blue Heaven signature blush palette. This is in the shade 4. It is now it has 4 blushes, and ये नया नहीं है. It's quite काफ़ी टाइम से it is there in the market I feel. And इस तरीके से इसकी कुछ पैकेजिंग है. All the blushes you have. Now it does contain fragrance, और बहुत सारा fragrance है इसमें. बहुत सारा fragrance है. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this corally sort of blush on my face using the same damp beauty blender. The color pigmentation wise it's really good I feel. I think I should use a brush. Let me just then see that how it works. It does become a little bit patchy. थोड़ा सा patchy ज़रूर है. Little bit, not much. But it does have a very good shine I feel. So it's just very natural. And let us use here also. Brush के साथ it has given me a good coverage. Doesn't look patchy. Just sweating this much. तो मैं आपको इनके swatches दे देती हूँ, so that you guys. and ना इसमें थोड़ा सा shimmer है. it's not matte. थोड़ा shimmer ज़रूर है इसमें. Just let me give you a swatch. So these are the swatches of the blush palette. तो ठीक ठाक है. I mean I'm not very impressed with the blush, but ठीक है. I mean जितने पैसे का आप खरीद रहे हो ना ये, for that it's okay. Now coming to the eyeshadows, I have 2 eyeshadow palettes. Now I have used their eyeshadow earlier, जो यही वाला eyeshadow है. So first one I have this shade. Let me just tell you the shade. तो एक shade है 04, one is 05. Now let me open it and show you both. So first it is 04. It's a kind of again mixture of all the shades. तो इसमें ज़्यादातर blue, purple है. And the other one is this one. This is 05. इसमें बहुत सारे अच्छे से colors हैं, colorful से colors हैं. So today I'm going to use this one, using this transition shade here. This blackish greenish color. तो ये हैं, okay, they are pigmented. I won't say that they are not pigmented, but काफ़ी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे नहीं हैं, I will say. बट मुझे याद है जो ब्लू हेवन का पहले वाला आता था ना, जो बहुत पहले उनका एक आई शेडो आता था, उससे तो उन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूव किया है आई फील. यूज अ येलो फ्रॉम दिस, दूसरा वाला जो पैलेट है उससे I'm just going to use the yellow because ये येलो मुझे बड़ा ही सुंदर लग रहा है. So let's see if it translates this well. So pigmentation तो इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है. I would show you. See, it's not that much. No guys, I didn't like both the palettes. I am really disappointed. I mean, these palettes, they don't work that well. Please don't waste your money. Blush palette is still better. तो मैं क्या करूँगी, इसमें से जो ये पिंक शेड मैंने अपने cheeks पे लगाया था ना, यही मैं अपने इस पे लगाती हूँ. See, can you see this? Looks so good. आई शेडो पैलेट्स इतने अच्छे नहीं हैं इसके, but the blush palette is really good, what I feel. Kajal pencil, this is their 24-hour school, and that's how the tip is. This is automated liner, and now let's just apply it on our inner, like lower waterline. Better pigmented than my Faces Kajal. I mean it. Guys, coming to another very, very cute thing. It is the Artisto eyeliner. That's how it looks like. It's a sketch eyeliner. Oh, this is intense eyeliner, extreme black, easy sketch eyeliner. So that is how it looks like. The tip is super fine. And now let's use this. You have to be a little patient if you are using this, क्योंकि थोड़ा सा ना ये गड़बड़ हो सकता है अगर आप उसको ठीक से नहीं यूज करोगे. Now guys, if you ask me, I'm not a very big fan of sketch eyeliners, but this is almost fine, I would say. But मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना that I get precision with my liquid liners only. But it is good for beginners. If you are a beginner, if you are just starting out and you don't know how to use liquid eyeliner, then now this can be a very good option. But according to me, I feel it's good. It's not bad. It is really good. But then you need a lot of patience to do this. And unlike me, I am not a very good. I'm not fan of sketch eyeliner, but it is really pigmented. Let me just show you a swatch of it. I mean, it is very pigmented, and see, and it just retails for 150. So I think this is worth it. But if you're like someone like me who does not like using a lot of sketch eyeliner, then you might give this a skip. Now next is their Lash Twist Curling Mascara. This is how it looks like, and they say it has super curled thick lashes. It is quick dry, waterproof, no clumpy, lightweight. Now let's say it retails for 125. That's what they have written, and I have a feeling that I have used this earlier. Not very sure. Now the packaging looks very similar to the Maybelline Fit Me and Faces Canada mascara, and that's how it looks like. It does have a very nice curly sort of wand. So let's use it and see how it looks. It does have a little bit of curling effect. I won't disagree on that. Now let's use their mist, and this is their makeup fixer. This is long lasting makeup fixer, Silk Matte Effect Dewy Glow Look. I mean, if you remember, they also launched this type of makeup setting spray earlier. Purple सी bottle में आता था. But this is how the makeup setting spray looks like. Let's see how it fares. And इसमें ऐसा spray है, and spray is again बहुत ज़्यादा. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cover my eyes. Oh, ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैंने okay. So guys, the mascara, it's not very quick drying. You can see ये कैसे transfer हो गया, and it's not waterproof. Do they say waterproof? They say waterproof, but it's not waterproof. So I have to remove this. Once it dries out, I will remove this. I wasn't expecting this. I mean, it just came onto my lower lashes. Never ever happened. So for lipstick, I have really good lipsticks. I mean, their lipsticks are one of the best formulas I have ever tried. This is their powder matte lipstick, and I have swatched all the shades. You can see, I mean, 6 of the shades. That's how the color looks like. It's a pretty nice chocolatey mahogany type of color for brown skin tone. Oh, the color looks like, I really love the color. I feel this color is really good. So guys, I will be just back after fixing all of this. Yeah. Alright guys, this is how my face looks like, and let me tell you, I'm not very happy with the way my face has turned out. And you can see that the foundation, it is just wearing off from this side. So the foundation is not worth it. The concealer is okay, it's not great, and definitely I liked the primer, so you can definitely go for the primer. And if I talk about their eyeshadows are okay, not very good, not very big fan. I won't recommend you to buy the eyeshadow. Now the kajal is very good. In fact, I really like the eyeliner also, and the mascara is also nice. But please remember, this mascara is not waterproof and it is not quick drying. You saw what happened, right? You saw how my mascara got onto my under eyes, so you saw it. And but still, I would say that eye products are still better. The complexion products are something you don't want to buy. And I like the blush palette also. If you see, it is giving me a little bit of, you know, shine from here, so I really like the blush palette. Lipsticks are my favorite. What I didn't like was their foundation, their concealer, and to some extent the setting spray. I didn't like the setting spray that much. In fact, the eyebrow pencil is very good. So yeah, and I would recommend you to get their lipstick, their powder matte lipsticks, their eyeliner, their kajal. They are very good, and even the this pencil, eyebrow pencil, is very good. And I think I have included everything. They also had a few you know, colorful eyeliner, so let us try that also. One is the blue, so let's just swatch the blue shade. Oh, supremely pigmented. The other one is a green shade. It's a very nice lime green, turquoise type of green. I mean, really nice shade of green. And by the way, they are matte, totally matte. So I'm just going to apply the blue eyeliner underneath, and let's see how it looks. So smooth. I mean, yeah, it is not visible of course because I have applied black, and uske upar se I'm using this. Let me use the green one. I think green one will be visible. Yeah, they look so good, I feel. Yes, so their colored eyeliners are also good. Actually, I have the packed ones here, so I don't want to open it. I already had them, so I just thought of try it. So that's what my honest review. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, please stay safe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Love you guys a lot. Bye bye.